Who can you call? Casey Armstrong.
So recently I was browsing the dollar store and I happened to walk by the toy aisle and saw more slime. I know I've reviewed it before, but when I saw this, I just got such nostalgia for the Masters of the Universe slime pit and even the real Ghostbusters slime, even though this isn't purple or pink. This happens to be glow-in-the-dark slime. And wow, I don't know why this is so eye-pleasing. Slime in general. Now, I have learned from my mistakes previously, and that's why I have broken out the plastic wrap here so I don't make a total mess during this review. Just go over the canister here, or the simulated scale 55-gallon drum. So you can see him next to the Fright feature Peter Venkman. Just says glow-in-the-dark slime with a cool little illustration. Let me try its glow-in-the-dark capabilities while I still have it in this container. Yes, it does appear to glow in the dark. Excellent. Just like the clear wrap I have down here, which is, it gives you total immunity because you cannot make a mess on this, and it's super affordable. So as a kid, you can just totally play your little heart out. Ah, that's grind. Whoa, it's already fresh slime. So cool. Oh. But wait, what the hell is this? Whoa. I'm just kidding. It's one of the glow-in-the-dark Ghostbusters toys that I reviewed already. Put them over there. But the consistency is really good on this slime. If that's an actual ranking for a toy slime, but the consistency is good. Has a really good lime green color to it. I guess that has to do with all those little reflective material things that make it glow in the dark. Alright, let's get to what we want here, people, and that is sliming time. Let's slime some Ghostbusters. Take a small portion here, load up the canister. Let's just do like a half thing. Now I will press down on this plunger and get the slime poured on Peter Venkman. I know he might not be afraid of no ghost, but that ain't gonna stop him from getting slimed. So the slime covers him really good. In a weird way, it's kind of disturbing. I don't know how to describe it really. But let's see if his fright feature still works with the goo on him. Yes, it does. Yowzers, look at that. See how easy the cleanup is. Oh boy. Sorry, Pete. Let's see. Wow. This figure almost looks like a ventriloquist puppet too. Oh well, it comes off pretty easy. Nice. So put this back in the containment unit. I mean, the drum. And there you have it. Cool dollar store slime. Get out there and get some of this. It's really cool. And have a good night.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.